Yeah, hi. This is Sandeep, and I'm going to, make a few videos on how to create a basic registration website. I'll be showing you how to create a registration form, you can sign up, and then how to log in to your account. Okay, and this is going to be a very simple one. I'll be making a few videos and on part by parts, and I'll try to make those videos as short as possible. Okay. This is the directory where I'll be creating the registration website, or this is the project I'll be creating over here. So I'll be making a folder. I'll name it registration. I'll pause the video and then I'll create all the directories. Okay, so I have created this folder called style. Inside is the CSS file, and this is the image directory, okay, or image folder. So it's going to be a very simple one, and so I'll be using Sublime Text. That is a kind of very easy to use. Okay, and I'll be pausing the video in order to make the videos short. Okay, so this is the basic HTML body, and first I'll be creating a div which will be holding the main form. And it's always a very good coding practice to comment the section. Okay, this is the main form. Then I'll be creating two more divs, or first I'll create the registration div. Registration. Okay. This is registration. All right. Now I'll go to style.css and I'll add a picture. Okay. First I will. This is basically indicating that star means you are grabbing all the elements. Okay, and so I'll be setting the padding to 0 and margin to 0. Okay, so all the elements will be having this property. Okay, this is the default one. Okay, now I'll add a body. I'll add a background image. Background img1.jpg. Background size cover. All right. Let me go to the website and let me see how it looks. Okay. Yeah, so I just had a mistake. So I previously the directory was outside this project. It is actually my XAMPP directory. So now I just moved the folder over here as you can see that registration, right? So let me go to the directory and let me just open it up. Okay, right. This is the registration. Okay, kindly as this is the index page, so it will be showing the index page only. Okay, now okay, so now I need to link my style sheet to the index page. To add this, this will be style dot css. Okay, let me go to the page. Okay, so this is the background image. It's like, you know, free to use, even if you are using, like, you know, it is commercially, right? Okay, I'll pause the video and I'll be creating all the form section. Okay, so I have just, you know, created the form section. Okay, let me go to the website and let's see how it looks. All right, so this is the structure of the form, right? Now we need to style it. All right, so just get back to style.css. I'll be selecting, all right, this. Okay, with 400 pixels height, 300 pixels background, white, margin auto, margin top 25 pixels. Right, just go back. All right, I'll be adding header over here, registration. This is h1 registration. Now h1 text line center. Okay, now let's style up the form input. Okay, and be with 300 pixels height, 35 pixels, border none, bottom 1 pixels, solid. So left 5 pixels. Let's have a look. Okay, this is how the form looks now. A few things left to make the style, and I'll be adding a class in the button. This is the button one. See the class registration button. Okay, go here, let's select it, the class with 120 pixels, height 25 pixels. Okay, background. Okay, let me choose a background. It's okay, let me just have a look. Let's have a look. Right. Okay, let's get back to there. Right. Okay. Looks kind of decent. I have to select this one. Okay. Have to add margin top 10 pixels. Let's have a look. It's good. What else? Okay. Margin top. Okay, padding top 20 pixels, 20 pixels. That's cool. Okay. Padding left, margin left 20 pixels. That's kind of good. Right. Okay, so I just put the registration form in the center of the body. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I just created the structure of the form, how it looks, and it's quite a basic form, right? So in the next tutorial I'll be creating the login form, and then I'll be continue to making the registration system and how to go into PHP coding. All right, see you then in the next video.